Okay, let's continue. Our course resources are going to be hosted in Virtual Savannah mostly. However, you may need to consult the university databases in the library to get some texts and some readings for the course. So what we would do. The course lasts 32 hours, distributed among 17 weeks. You will work on 7 course modules and on the construction of your final product. Remember, in the core documents folder, you have information about the final assignment guidelines. We will also have 8 face-to-face hours in all the course. So remember to keep the schedule in mind, because even though we only have a few contact hours, you do have to work in the course throughout the entire semester. So, this is Ali in a nutshell. This is our course. We have 3 main assignments that are the first assignment, the midterm checkpoint, and the final assignment. These are the dates and the times for you to post. We have 7 modules. One is called Autonomous Learning Environments. The following one is Working Collaboratively, where we're going to analyze teamwork and collaboration. In the first one, of course, Autonomy and Self-Direction. Then we have ICT and Autonomy, because some people may argue for the case of information and communication technologies to foster autonomy, so we're going to explore that issue in this module. Later we're going to talk about ethics and technology and how we have to bear ethical considerations in mind when constructing autonomous learning environments. Later we're going to talk about online and blended learning, which is going to include all the possibilities now for learning with the use of technologies. Instructional design is going to be module 6, in which we're going to analyze different instructional models for you to create your own courses whenever you need to do it. And we're going to also examine assessment options, of course, in these autonomous learning environments. As you can see, we have a research symposium on May the 21st, which is going to coincide with our midterm checkpoint. So we need to talk if you are going to present at the research symposium. Please bear these dates in mind, pay attention, especially to those where you have to come to the university. The other hours for Ali are for independent work. So, module hosts. Each module, we're going to have a team of students or a student that is going to be assigned as a module host. And the activities that this person has to do are better explained in the module host responsibilities document. However, they are to promote discussion of forum topic activities for the module. So the questions that are already set in the forum, you are going to promote discussion. To encourage all students to participate actively by leading and or initiating discussions as necessary. So if you see that a classmate is, or nobody has posted anything on the forum for the week, so you as a module host will have to start that conversation, and so people will follow you. You are invited to ask critical questions, to lead the conversation, to get everyone involved. And you are also invited to prepare a summary of important points of discussions and questions that they will post by midnight on the Sunday at conclusion of the module. So we're going to start modules on Friday or Thursday. It depends on how the module progresses, but I will tell you when you are a module host. I will send you an email the night before or when you are supposed to start, so you know. This is the module host list. I'm going to move this camera a bit here. So we have for module 1, there's no module host, because I want to model it for you so you know what is expected. Then for module 2, we have Diana Carolina Patiño. I'm sorry if I say the name you don't like. My name is Julie Carolina, so I'm gonna just drop it in. So I don't like Julie. Okay, so if you don't like one of your names, I'm sorry, just say to me in the introductions forum. Okay. Module 3 is Alexander Miranda. Module 4 is going to be 2 people, Nancy and Mireya, because the content of the module is rich and we have more discussions. Module 5 also has 2 people that are Nils Alexandra Caicedo and Maria Alejandra Perdomo. Module 6 are Hector and Jorge Enrique, because of course these modules are also rich in discussion. And for Module 7 we have Leonardo Alba. The final assignment week or days, of course there's no moderation, so there is no module host required. So, how will you be assessed in our course? Our course assessment will be mainly derived from the following products. So we have online and face-to-face participation. That means forums, tasks, classes, online sessions, etc. That is going to be 30% of the grade for this course. Something very important here is, remember I mentioned the forums are our way to communicate. So it is exactly the same as in a face-to-face class. In the face-to-face class, you don't just talk for the sake of talking. You talk because you have something important to say. You have arguments, etc. So make sure that your posts in the forum are rich, are interesting, are thought-provoking, are fruitful. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Other tasks that we are going to have, including a vlog and an essay, are going to be 20%. The first assignment is going to be 20% of the grade, and the final assignment is going to be 30%, which is divided into these two. The midterm checkpoint is part of the final assignment, and it's 10%, and the final assignment 20%. Okay? Just a little joke. It's important to read. You know, that's the most important thing, to read. So let's talk a little bit about our roles in autonomous learning environments. Me, I am the guide on the side. I'm an opportunity provider and a problem solver, hopefully. Not only about technology. This is something important. This is not a course about only technology. We're going to discuss technology, yes, but we are going to do much more. And you are supposed to be active participants, managers of your own learning, main characters in your process, and module hosts. Okay, so these are the main roles that you're going to have in the course. As you can see, you are required to be very active, and as this is a group of 9, it's going to be very noticeable if you're not. So we have some orientation week activities that are supposed to start today, Friday, February 26th, and are supposed to finish on Thursday, March 3rd, because our face-to-face class, our first class, is going to be Friday from 4 to 6. Okay, so this is the orientation module in Virtual Savannah. You are going to just have a few activities. The first one is an introductions forum where you're going to introduce yourselves. Of course, you know each other because you've been together for a semester, but I don't know any one of you. So it is very important to know each other. So please go ahead and introduce yourself following the instructions in the introductions forum. If you want to know more about me, you can check this link, the Professor tab, so you can read a little bit about my bio. Also, I would like to know your course expectations. What do you expect from this course? What do you want to learn from this course? Any concerns do you have about this course now that we have had this introduction and after exploring the homepage and these introductory activities? And an Ali initial questionnaire. This is a needs analysis questionnaire, so please, I ask you to answer very thoroughly and very honestly, because your answers and your replies to this questionnaire are going to give me very important material to construct, not this course because this is pretty much constructed, but to try to fit it to your needs. So if I see something that needs to be changed, I will make the changes, just, you know, to make sure everyone's needs are tackled. Okay, so let's review the next steps. Read the core documents and take the quiz on Virtual Savannah. Consult the Succeeding as a Learner in Ali book in Virtual Savannah as well. Participate in the orientation week activities and check your email. I'll be sending you a video to watch during the week, an input video for Module 1, so we can get started when we get to the class on Friday. We can start working on activities. If you need anything during this week, you can contact me. So here we have a troubleshooting SOS forum. Remember, this forum is for you to post any question you may have. I'm giving you my WhatsApp, but beware, of course, be careful about the use of this tool because I have a private life as well. So I hope you understand that. A Twitter handle, please follow me on Twitter. I will post different articles and different links that might be useful for you. Skype or Google Hangouts, you can search me as CRBuitrago on Gmail, and we can have a Google Hangout. Of course, upon request, if you need to talk to me, you just need to book me, but no problem. Just send me a message and I will respond. And if you need me, you can write me an email too. Here is my university email address, so please contact me if you need me. So welcome to Autonomous Learning Environments. I'll see you next week, and I wish you a happy week of hard work.